What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something seriously exciting on my desk. This is the brand new Infinix GT 30 Pro, a phone that's been making waves for its focus on raw performance and gaming. The box itself looks awesome, with this futuristic cybermech design that screams power. But enough about the box. Let's slice this open and see what's waiting for us inside. I'm really keen to see if the phone lives up to the hype. Alright, let's lift the lid. First up, we're greeted by the phone itself. We'll put that aside for just a moment. Digging deeper, we have a smaller box containing the documentation, a SIM ejector tool, and a really nice, premium-feeling, transparent protective case. It's great that Infinix includes a quality case right out of the box so your new device is protected from day one. And here's the main event for power users: the charging brick. This isn't just any charger. It's a massive 120-watt fast charger. To go with it, we have a sturdy, bright orange USB-C to USB-C cable. That's everything in the box, a very solid package, especially with that powerful charger included. Now, let's get back to the phone. Peeling this plastic off is always the best part. And wow, just look at this design. It's got this bold, gaming-inspired aesthetic that I'm really digging. The back has a premium matte finish that feels great in the hand and should resist fingerprints pretty well. But the star of the show is this RGB lighting system right here on the back. It's not just for looks. It can light up for notifications, calls, and while gaming, adding a whole new level of immersion. The camera module is also uniquely designed, blending right into the phone's overall look. It feels solid, well-built, and definitely stands out from the crowd. Let's power it on and talk about this display. We're looking at a huge 6.78-inch AMOLED panel. The colors are incredibly vibrant, and the blacks are deep and inky. Just what you expect from a quality AMOLED screen. But the real game changer here is the 144Hz refresh rate. Scrolling through the UI, opening apps, and just navigating the phone feels unbelievably smooth and fluid. This high refresh rate is going to be a massive advantage in fast-paced games. Plus, with a peak brightness of over 1300 nits, outdoor visibility should be excellent, even in direct sunlight. This screen is definitely built for immersive media consumption and competitive gaming. Alright, let's talk about what makes this phone a true performance beast: the specs. This is a flagship-level chipset known for its incredible power and efficiency. Paired with a massive 12 GB of RAM, this phone should handle anything you throw at it. And if that's not enough, Infinix has included its memory fusion technology, which can virtually expand the RAM even further. For storage, you can get up to 512 GB, which is more than enough space for all your games, apps, and media. This hardware combination means multitasking will be seamless, and even the most demanding games should run without a hitch. Now, with all that power, you might be worried about heat. Gaming phones can get pretty toasty, but Infinix has thought about that. The GT30 Pro comes equipped with a large vapor chamber cooling system. This is designed to dissipate heat efficiently away from the processor, ensuring the phone maintains peak performance over long gaming sessions without thermal throttling. It means you can game for hours without seeing your frame rates drop, which is crucial for staying competitive. This advanced cooling is a feature you typically find in much more expensive devices, so it's impressive to see it here. Let's move on to the cameras. While this is a gaming phone, Infinix didn't skimp on the optics. It features a 108-megapixel triple camera system on the back. A high megapixel count like this means your photos will be packed with detail, allowing you to crop in without losing much quality. I'm really interested to test out the night mode optimization. Infinix claims it delivers bright and clear shots even in low-light conditions. The phone can also shoot video in 4K, so your recorded moments will be sharp and detailed. For all you selfie lovers and streamers, there's a 32-megapixel front-facing camera, which should be great for clear video calls and high-quality selfies. This is a substantial size that should comfortably get you through a full day of heavy use, including a good amount of gaming. But what's even more impressive is the charging. Remember that 120-watt charger we unboxed earlier? Infinix claims it can charge this massive battery at incredible speeds, getting you back in the game in just a matter of minutes. It also has a smart system with real-time temperature monitoring to ensure the charging process is not only fast, but also safe for the battery's long-term health. Finally, let's touch on the software experience. The GT30 Pro runs on XOS, which is Infinix's custom interface built on top of Android. But this isn't just standard XOS. It's a special gaming UI version. It's been tailored with gamers in mind, offering features like a game anti-lag engine to ensure a stable and responsive connection during online play. There's also a dedicated esports mode, which blocks notifications, optimizes performance, and gives you a suite of tools to enhance your game. It's clear that every aspect of this phone, from the hardware to the software, has been fine-tuned for the ultimate gaming experience. So, my first impressions of the Infinix GT30 Pro are overwhelmingly positive. You get a stunning high refresh rate display, a top-tier processor with a robust cooling system, a massive battery with ridiculously fast charging, and a capable camera system. All of this is wrapped in a unique and eye-catching design that really makes a statement. It feels like a complete package for anyone who prioritizes performance in gaming but still wants a great all-around smartphone. I'm going to be putting this phone through its paces over the next week, testing out its gaming performance, battery life, and camera quality in the real world. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel with notifications turned on for my full in-depth review. That's it for this unboxing and first look. What are your initial thoughts on the Infinix GT30 Pro? Let me know down in the comments below. I'm really excited to dive deeper into this device. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.